In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook the best ribeye you've ever made in your life. Alright, so this is going to be about as simple and as straightforward as it could ever possibly be. First, we're going to do a little bit light trim. Now, I'm not going to take off too much. This is not a competition steak. This is for you at home. So I like to take off these little guys here at the end, just a little bit of silver skin. Just kind of round it up, make it a little aerodynamic. Now, for the rub, super simple, super easy. We are gonna roll with my sizzling burger and my garlic jalapeno. You don't have to use these. If you got something at home you like, use that. Technique is all the same. So first off, we're gonna put down, little sizzling burger. Use as little or as much as you like. I like to kind of overshoot because I'm gonna pick up the edges with the stuff on the cutting board. This garlic jalapeno is stupid good on a burger. And I'm gonna show you a trick in this video that's gonna take your steak to the absolute next level. Flip it, hit it again, do the edges. Can't neglect the edges. And this is where I use the excess on the board to pick all that up. So the charcoal we're using is 100% all natural royal oak briquettes. Now I like to fill my chimney just a little bit heaping, then kind of shake it down. Then I like to light it with tumbleweeds. Tumbleweeds just do an amazing light, and I just absolutely love them to death. And then once the smoke quits on this, this is when I know it is ready to dump. After I dump it, I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of small chunks of hickory. That's just what I like to use. You use whatever you like to use of. And then I'm gonna put these chunks in a place where they're slowly gonna burn. Like right back here in the back, where it's stupid hot. Great thing about this Hasty Bake is you can adjust with this little string your fire. I like to run it about right there. And I am running the grill grates. These are key to getting perfect hash marks on your steak. Now, while it's heating up, I'm gonna shoot it with a little bit of duck fat. And then close the lid and let everything come to temp. All right, so we're running about 475. We're gonna go ahead and put this steak on, but before we do, I'm gonna hit it with some duck fat. Just like that, nice and shiny. And this thing is gonna get it real quick. Now to get them hash marks, I'm gonna turn that guy this way, push down, apply my weight, shut the lid. 1 minute and 30 seconds starting now. Minute and 30. Now we adjust. Now I always like to kind of look because you just never know. Clean that baby off. So you had it going this way, so now we're going to turn it this way. And if you're one of those guys, you just need to look, go ahead and look, because you're going to want the grill marks going the other way. Minute and 30, start now. All right, minute 30. Now we're gonna flip it. I always like to clean the grate. Spray the top of this dude. And flip. And I like to line them up, but that's just me. Minute 30, once again. One more minute and 30. Now on this guy, I got a little bit of melted butter here. Well, let's go ahead and turn him again. So from the top, I know these are going this way. So these need to go this way. And apply your booter. I like to drizzle. I'm a drizzler. That is beautiful. Now, while I got it here, I'm gonna go ahead and check the temp. 126, 127, 128. This may go faster than what we think. I'm gonna go 45 seconds. All right, so that's been about 45 seconds. Just want to check it. I'm right at 130 in the middle. So it's been on there long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little shelf in there. Set that baby right there. I'm gonna call it 133, we're taking her. Now, we're gonna take this over, put it in a half pan and let it rest. All right, so we're gonna let this steak rest for a little bit, but I'm telling you right now, this is a game changer. I do this in competition. I've done this in competition for at least 12 years, and it is everything. I have a combination, 1 tablespoon of each of these rubs in this grinder. I got it set to 5. And all you're gonna wanna do is just run a fine little powder over the top. And I promise you, your steak is gonna hit another level. Oh man, look at that dude. Look at that dude. Game changer. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you love what we're doing, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And don't forget to go print this recipe off, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. A lot of people are going to say, well, I don't have a Hasty Bake. Doesn't matter. This recipe will work on anything. It doesn't even matter if you got grill grates. The grill grates just give it the nice hashtags. But it will work on anything.